Indlela ezinemigodi mraro wangamalanga wabatshayeli obuye ubangela ingozi eziningi ezibulala abantu endleleni. Iferi yenarheng ingenye yendawo ezizele imigodi. Indlela ezi azifaki impilo yabatshayeli engozini kwaphela, kodwa naziyabadla nangesikhwameni.
Some of the holes are so big they have 2 bedrooms. It's just a joke.
Potholes damage my rims and I have 4 broken rims right now I have to fix and they cost like 8,000 rand.
Isitshijilo sabo siswakele ngejima lelizwe lokulungiswa kwendlela, iOperation Vala zoke. Imera yemfuleni isola isilinganiso sebudget ekhutshwako yendlela. Ungatshetshisi kuhle nokubhalelwa kuphatha ngefanelo okubangela umraro wemigodi endleleni.
One of the things that we were not doing right as a municipality, it was putting a budget that must maintain or build new roads.
Isandra lisungule nehlelo le-app lapha ungakhona ukubika khona indlela ezinemigodi.
When the road user reports on the public app a pothole in a specific area, we will be able to, from Sunroll end, we'll be able to workflow it to the right province for that pothole to be attended to.
UMbalula uthi leli jima liyingcenye yendlela zokuletha izenzela zomphakathi. Beliyokulekelela nabatshali imali nokuvula amathuba wemisebenzi.
It's an outcry. We live with it. You are a driver. I'm a driver. You've got a relative. I've got a relative. I've got friends who have been affected with their car punctures and all of that as a result of potholes all over the country.
Road, you must go on the pavement.
We'll see when it happens. Yeah. Because there's every time we hear promises.
As they have started today, they can just fix the streets. It would be better.
Okwanje ihlelo leli lisanikelwe 11 billion wamaranda.